So, you're heartily welcome to Hale Beach.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Have you been to Belur?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
If you go to Belur, there also we have one more like this temple,
Okay.
Vishnu temple.
ಹಾಂ.
This is Shiva temple. It's called Vaisala Ishvara, built in 1121 AD, 12th century, built by one of the minister of Vaisala dynasty, Ketumala. This Ketumala was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. That's why he built Shiva temple. He built two Shiva temple on same platform. Inside this temple, we have two deities are there. There is one for the king, one for the queen. That's called Vaisaleshwara and Shantaleshwara. But 1311 and 1326, two times the city was attacked by Khilji dynasties. You know Alauddin Khilji.
Yes.
At the time, destroyed the city, palace, fort, everything destroyed. Even this temple also like this, so many statues broken. Then only names comes as Halubidu. Now we call this Halebidu. It means in our local language Kannada, destroyed city. Now we are in the eastern parts of this temple, eastern side, top to bottom, 11 lines are continued. See the first 4 lines are symbolically strength, courage, beauty, speed. They show first elephants around the temple, 1248 elephants are there. But
Oh.
all are different, there is no two similar.
ಓಕೆ.
Elephant for stability, lions for courage, creepers for beauty, horses for speed. Only the 6 kinds of storylines.
Okay.
So this is Samudra Manthan.
ಹಾಂ.
One said gods and one said demons. They were churning of the milky oceans to get the nectar. So this Vasuki serpent has a churning the rope. In the center, Mandara mountain like a churning the rod. While they are churning of the milky oceans, that mountain is sinking into the water. Then Vishnu came for tortoise to lift the mountain on the back. It is called Kurma Avtara. And there's a mythical animals Makara. It is a combination of 7 animals parts. Body like a pig, legs like a lion, mouth like a crocodile, trunk like a elephant, eye like a monkey, ear like a cow, tail like a peacock. Imaginary animals called this Makara.
ಓಕೆ.
Then Swan or Hamsa. See the different dances, musicians, last renaissance to say heroics from Kama Sutra. Above that, ventilations for good light and wind purpose. Here we have an interesting moral story. He is a teacher of the demon by name Shukracharya, is a meditating. It was believed that after his meditation, he used to take wine, a toddy. It was called Surapana. This wine corresponds these palm tree and toddy trees kept in a pot. Meanwhile, a bird is drinking the wine. And below this, cobra also.
ಯಾ.
It means sculpture imaginations, nothing wrong in taking that wine. But how much we take? That's very important. We show that this bird take 1 drop or little, there's a good for health like medicine. If you take more than that, it becomes a poison. We show this cobra.
ಹಾಂ.
Not only wine, anything. Too much is too bad. Inside the temple, we have 2 Shiva Lingam, and outside the temple, you can see 2 Nandi also. One is that side, one is here. Like this in India, we have so many bull carvings. It is according to the Archaeology Department Survey of India, only 7 biggest bull in India. The first biggest bull was in Andhra Pradesh, Lepakshi.
ಓಕೆ.
Second one is in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavuru. Third is in Mysore, Chamandi Hill. Fourth one is in Bangalore, Bull Temple or Basangudi. Fifth one again in Tamil Nadu, Rameshwaram. That is 6th. This is 7th
ಓಕೆ.
in height. But in decoration or beautifications, it is the first in India, highly decorated. And look at the beautiful bells garlands, flower garlands, wrinkles in the neck. Look at that bright eyes, wooden nostrils. Even that body also well polished like a mirror. Say the shining also is there.
ಯಾ.
It's made of single piece of stone, including the pedestal. You see 8 feet height, there is a 9 feet height. But in decoration, in the first, but height and size, 7th largest in India.
ಓಕೆ.
Now we are going inside. Then we have a Shiva Lingam. This is in the name of the queen called this Shantaleshwara.
Okay.
One more, that side in the name of the king, Vaisaleshwara. The lingam. And this round place made for dancing hall. Even Queen Shantala, she used to dance on the floor because every day she worship to God through the dance. These are all dancing pose of Queen Shantalas. Like that, we had 84, but out of 84, now only 14 remain. 70 steps missing since this remote slaves. These are taken away before our independence.
ಓಕೆ.
These 14 are broken, not one is good, all are broken statue left it. Like these, 108 pillars are there, 108 pillars, but all are different. There is no two similar. Each pillar is made of 5 pieces. It's not a single piece. It's a 5 pieces. That's what we call in Sanskrit Pancha Shila Stamba. 5 pieces. And 22 ceilings are there. In the ceiling, the center line, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. In the top, Ganesha, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Subramanya, or Kartikeya. Below you can see musicians. Like these, all ceiling statues are first carved in the bottoms and then fixed like a interlocking systems. This temple took 190 years to build this temple. 190 years. Yes. But it's still it is incomplete temple. So they all half done it. Like this, work was going on. It was attacked by Khilji dynasty. That's why this is incomplete temple. Still, this temple has more than 20,000 carvings are there. But it has more important outside wall carvings. That's why some local says Belur temple is inside beauty, Halabhi temple is outside beauty.
Yeah.
Especially western parts of this temple, beautiful carvings with stories. Such information says it is all donations inscription. They wrote in 2 languages donors' names who are the donated to the temple. Called this Dana Shashana, Sanskrit and Kannada. Totally, this temple has 42 miniatures like this, small temples are there. But now all are empty. Inside this temple we have only pedestal, but there is no idols. The stolen before our independence. Shiva Linga in the name of the King Vaisaleshwara. That is Shantaleshwara. Like this temple has everything two dancing hall, 2 praying hall, 2 Garbhagriha, and also 2 bull temple. It's a twin temple. So we call it Dvikuta. It means double. Now we are in the south. But this was the main entrance for royal family. Before the royal family entered this temple, they used to first worship that Ganesha statue. Opposite of the Ganesha, you can see Vaisala's emblem. A man is killing a lion. There's the emblem of Vaisala dynasty called that Vaisala. So this was the main entrance. That's why they show the beautiful Dwarpalakas here. Nandikeshwara and Brungikeshwara. In Vishnu temple, we call this Jaya Vijaya.
Aha.
Yeah, look at the beautiful crown designs and rich ornaments are very nice. So somebody called this whole temple like one of the jewelry box, like that ornaments. And over this entrance, the beautiful arch also, that's called Makara Torana. So the center dancing Shiva Nataraja, right to Shiva Brahma, left to Shiva Vishnu. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Either side of the trinities, again we can see mythical animals Makara, what was in the beginning. Call this Makara Torana. But very important of this temple start from this side, wall carvings, very nice. Beginning, you have dancing Ganesha. This Ganesha is dancing on his vehicle, is a mouse. But the sculpture imagination, Ganesha is a more weight. That's why that mouse mouth is open like preaching. Look at the back legs are bent, no? Below that earth has gone through the down. They show defreshing because weight of Ganesha. And Ganesha brother Kartikeya or Subramanya, his vehicle is a peacock. You know, Subramanya has a different names, Skanda, Kumaraswamy, Murugan, Armugam, Shanmugam also. But in Kannada it's called Subramanya. Here you can see beautiful statue of the Trimurti. The Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Normally Vishnu is the center. But in this temple, Shiva is the center. Because this is Shiva temple, they are given more importance to Shiva statues. Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the protector, Shiva the destroyer. The story from Mahabharata Ramayana, but this main character has broken. So we can't identify this thing. This opposite we can identify Arjuna with Hanuman.
Okay.
Some good places there, I will explain this thing.
Okay.
I told you this temple has more than 20,000 carvings. Among them, these 2 are masterpieces in the temple. Look at the first one is Lord Krishna, he lift the mountain Govardhanagiri. See the top of the mountain, they show banana tree.
Yes.
Bunch of banana. Monkey is climbing the tree.
Yes.
Hunter with a bow, you holding a bow and arrow.
Yes.
A lion is entering the cave, just we can see back 2 legs and tail.
Yes.
He's entering the cave. See the peacocks, lizard and snakes are come outside. So these are shows life of mountain. And one more very interesting thing, 3 statues, but they have only 4 legs. If you find individually, he each has 2 legs. First you see this side, he has 2 legs. Look at the center of the 2 legs. The last one has 2 legs. But totally 4 legs per 3. Like 3D effects.
Yeah.
And that's also a beautiful statue of this temple. Shiva is dancing inside the elephant body. Look at the elephant front 2 legs and head is bottom. Its back 2 legs and a tail as a top. He wears that elephant around him as a blanket, as elephant skin. While he is dancing, look at his left hand thumbnail as fierce elephant skin. She's a sharp nail. Pass through the elephant skin. This is the third incarnation of Varaha Avtara or wild boar. He is killing the demon Hiranyaksha. He crushed the demon's head, the 2 eyes was buzzing out. And look at the one more on this side, Vishnu is killing with a mace or gada. That mace sharp point with interior command, that is like an intestine. It's the tip of the weapons. It has pierced his body with interior also came out. Before that, he holding a demon face with a hook for grip. So that show he can't escape from that Vishnu. Called this Varaha Avtara. On his left shoulder, they showed Bhudevi also there. This is Bhudevi. To take full view, it's a beautiful view of the temple. Very nice place of this temple. Maximum carvings are there. Fourth sin of the demon. Aitama? This is a demon. His son Prahalada was a devotee of Lord Vishnu, but his father was not allowed that way. So he has given torture to his son through the soldiers. There are snakes, elephants. He was put in the fire, you know. At that time, Holika, opposite fire, so Holika. Look at the flames are very nice, got it.
Yes.
Finally, he was dropped from the hill. He is meditating. So ultimately, Vishnu appears in the pillar in the form of Narasimha. They show only 2 inches Narasimha statue in the pillar. This is like a pillar, you know. When the demon kicked that pillar, then Vishnu came out of the pillar in the form of Narasimha to kill this demon, Hiranyakashipu. But his head is broken. Same things, there's bigger, this is smaller. Look at this statue, is an interesting also. He was a Indian temple priest. Look at his dress, long open coat, double collar, curly wig. Now it looks like a British judge, you know.
Yeah.
British are using like a wig and coat.
Ah.
But our history says British people came to India after 16th century. This is the 12th century. We had before them this dress. Our main temple priest, Dharmadikari, they used to like a dress. So, Indra is chasing Krishna on their vehicle, Airavata. It means white elephant. Special of that white elephant is a 2-tusk east side, so the double tusk. Look at the natural running movements of elephant. His leg has a bend, tail has gone up, his back, 2 bells have gone back. While he is running, Sachi Devi sees not on the elephant, they are bouncing on the elephant. They show gap also.
Yes.
Because Krishna Parijata Aparana story. Rama is giving ring to Hanuma, just identify his wife Sita. Because he was kidnapped by Ravana, that's why Rama sent his Hanuma with his ring, called Mudra Ungra. Like this, not complete story of the Ramayana or Mahabharata, only highlights. This is a Abhimanyu story. This made by Dronacharya, attacked by Abhimanyu son of Arjuna. But this Abhimanyu knows the half story. He know how to go inside. He didn't know how to come outside. It's a difficult army formations. Our Mahabharata story say that know only 3 persons, how to go inside and how to come back. Those are Krishna, Arjuna, Dronacharya. The Drona symbol on the chariot, they show part flag, that is symbol of Drona. That's why we called him Kumbhodbhava or Kumbha Sambhava, Drona's one more name. In Mahabharata story, Bhima was very powerful. Bhima's strength is equal to 1000 elephant strength is equal to Bhima. In this battle scene, Bhima cut that elephant, killing and throwing backside. Killing, throwing. Behind him, heap of the dead elephants that touch the clouds. Up to clouds, these are clouds. Including elephant riders, Mahavut. It's so what's the imagination of sculpture up to sky level, heap of the dead elephants. Bhima was very powerful. This side you can see an interesting thing. You see from here, it is looks like a telescope,
Yes.
binocular. It's like an American Patriot missiles, like a rocket.
Yes.
And these two are drinking something through the straw. Like
Yeah.
straw, telescope, missiles, nothing new. Only history repeats.
Yes.
Ravana statue, Dashamukha Ravana. Ravana has 10 heads and 20 hands. He lifts the whole mountain Kailash. So the top of the mountain, Shiva Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi, there's a Brahma Saraswati. The whole thing is made of single piece of the stone. But you know, Ravana was not ordinary demon. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva also, Mahashiva Bhakta.
Yes.
While he lifts the mountain, Shiva becomes angry. Shiva has decided to break the ego of that Ravana. Shiva just he pressed that mountain at the time. Look at that Ravana, 2 legs are stretching both sides.
Ah.
Look at his neck portions. Look at the face expressions. All is suffering. Totally shows he is struggling to holding that mountain now. Our horse riders use the long shoes, gumboot, rain shoes. It shows now the cricket players the cricket pad and the leg pads. Here in those days, soldiers
ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಪಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು.
helmet.
ಓಕೆ.
It's like a morning giant shorts, so the Bermudas. And Sikh people have a long beard, so turban, you know. Look at this man has a beard with a turban, like Sardarji. Usually, our Ganesha trunk is left, but look at that Ganesha trunk has go to right. That's called Balamuri Vinayaka, Urdu Vinayaka. That's very rare, very angry Ganesha. Normally, people don't worship like that Ganesha in their house.
ಯಾ
If you want to worship like that Ganesha, we should be mentally and physically clean always. Should have take 3 times bath every day. We have to worship 3 times in a day. This is the main temple, Vaishnav temple.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
Have a nice day. Wish you a happy journey.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
With
ಸರ್.
the temple.